Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2011 Honda CBF600. I'm going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's take a close look at this Honda. It is HPI clear. Does come with a spare key in the pack as well. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front, we'll work all the way around the bike. And this does have ABS on it. It's in a black and white, high gloss paint finish. Let's get a look at the plastics on this side. You notice it's got the R&G frame protection bungs on there. So let's look at the plastics on the side and side of the tank and seat. You'll also notice it's got the full 3-piece luggage on it as well. It's also got the main stand as well as the side stand it's on. And it's also got a chain oiler on it. That looks like a brand new chain and sprocket as well. Look at the luggage on there. They are easy to just take off as well, those, quick release with the key. And then they've got the handles on as well so you can carry them. Let's have a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. You can see it's got a tank protector on there. Let's get a look over the top box. Let's get a look at it from the back. And we'll move around to the right hand side, do the same again. Look over the box there. Let's get a good look over the side. Just move the bars around so we can see everything. Finish up at the front on this right hand side. Let's go up, take a look at the dash and controls and get the exact mileage off it. Okay, so you've got the front brake, your throttle, kill switch, starter and your hazards on that side. Over on the other side we've got the clutch, we've got the lights, indicators, horn. And it's got the Oxford heated grips on there with 5 settings on it. So let's turn this on. Let's get a look at the mileage. And it's done 20,089 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in a close-up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you.
Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219 or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.